Hello everyone, welcome to one more video of Just Business, the channel where we talk about agile, process improvement, team building and business at all. This is Thiago Vieira de Carvalho and today we will talk about Agile and Scrum. Okay, so first to we think and talk about Agile, we need to do one step back to talk about how it was before Agile. It was very good methods of project management to build new buildings, to do cars and other products, where we had as a cascade to do one phase as requirement gathering, then planning, then development, then testing. So the main concern, the main issue was I need to finish one phase to go for the other as a cascade. So if I do mistakes, it's a terrible thing, because I sometimes need to redo the previous phase or have a tremendous impact on what I have just done. So it was not the best method for change, because changes were heavy, were difficult to handle, were a committee of change was many times asked because of things that were forgotten. Not sure, because doing a project is not something easy. So sometimes customer do not have a clarity of what he needs when he's starting. So he just thinking, but as the project goes, he realized that many things that he had thought as good are not good. So this is where Agile came as a perfect solution for that. Because let's talk about the Agile Manifest. See how the things change from the traditional project management method. We are talking here about team interactions, much more than process and tools. The biggest thing is software working, then a very good documentation. The important is to answer to change more than follow a plan, and to do customer collaboration, then contracts, negotiating, penalties. So it's to work together, supplier, customer as a team having a common goal, going together to achieve this goal. And we have several methodologies here. Today we will talk about Scrum. And Scrum is something that 3 different groups do: product owner, development team, and Scrum Master. These are the 3 elements that are key to run the Scrum. And first, the product owner. Product owner is thinking of the product strategy, the software that would be in some time done. That could be right now in the next sprint, 2 sprints ahead, 4 or many sprints ahead. So he works with the product backlog, having a big quantity of items and detailing them as closer as they are to come to a sprint. And then this sprint planning meeting is something key, where he would talk with the development team, with Scrum Master, and define what would be the new scope of this big product backlog, what would be taken from this to a sprint scope, a sprint backlog that would be working in the next 2 weeks or 1 month, depending on the sprint size. I have been seeing 2 weeks and I think it's good, a good time. Okay? So then what happens? The development team would be working to solve these items of the sprint backlog in the next days of the 2 weeks. And each day, the Scrum Master would bring them to a 15-minute ceremony asking, you, how are the things going? What will you be able to finish? Do you have anything that's blocking you? Any issue that you would like to bring? And then if blocking things, Scrum Master would understand, would work to remove this so the team can continue. And I am seeing that the product owner, it's also participating in these dailies, and it is very important. So he can help. Sometimes the team is working in a wrong direction of something that he told, but the team couldn't observe it perfectly, or later at testing some item, he just orients, no, it's almost there, we need also this. So it's very important to the product owner be there working close to the development team so team can guarantee that he is really understanding and delivering all the items in the correct shape that the product owner expects it to be done. Okay, and then daily it goes working, resolving these issues, and once done, they have sprint review to see how is the new product, how is it, to some demonstration, and also a sprint retrospective to think of what was good, what was bad, what we should improve in the way we are working as the Scrum. Okay? Another very good thing that the Scrum Master and Product Owner can have is the burn down chart, where they can see how is the trend to deliver the points or the stories or the items in the sprint. Is this really trending to zero as the time goes, to try to finish everything that they committed to done. If at the end they cannot finish something, this is brought again to the product backlog, because depending on the strategy, it can be yet a priority for the next sprint, or maybe it's not anymore. Okay, my pleasure to share my little knowledge with you. Do your like, your dislike, write your comment, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.